Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is mainly hair, beauty, and fashion. Since you've clicked my link, we already know why you're here, which is the Zenni Optical sunglasses review, which I recently purchased. I wanted to unbox and review with you, so let's get into it. This video is going to be in 4 separate parts. First, I'm gonna go over the website details with you. Then we're gonna go ahead and unbox or unbag, because they came in a bag, but unbag the sunglasses. I only bought 1 pair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and test run. I'm gonna go outside, wear them around for a little while, and then come back after a few hours of wearing them. And the fourth one will be the final review and what I think finally of the glasses after wearing them for a couple hours. If you catch me looking down, it's because I'm trying to stay on track for you guys, because going off track is kind of my thing. I have my notes right here. A little while back, I helped my mom purchase some glasses from Zenni that were prescription, and I remembered them and decided to check and see if they had some sunglasses. Now, I'm in need of sunglasses because where I live is hot now, and basically if I'm driving, I don't want to be looking all crazy like this trying to keep the sun out of my eye and see at the same time. So, you know, it was like one or the other. Like, don't have sun in your eye or use the prescriptions. And don't act like I'm the only one who's tried that. If you've tried that, comment below, because I know I'm not the only one. But anyways, I needed the prescription sunglasses, so I went on Zenni to find if they have some, which they do, and I know their prices are really cheap. Their prices are cheap. Now, hopefully the quality isn't cheap. That's what we're going to be looking at today. When you go on the website, it's organized by women, men, and then children. So they have boys and girls glasses as well. The lowest price that I've seen, now they can always change their prices or whatever, but the lowest price that I've seen, they started at $6.95, and the highest price that I've seen was $45.95, which is really reasonable, right, for glasses, especially if you're gonna put a prescription on them. So anyways, let me continue and not get off track. With trying on the glasses, since it's all internet based, you can either try one of their stock bases, or actually, let me take these off because I don't need them right now. So yeah, you can upload a picture of yourself and use a picture of yourself to try on glasses, which makes the most sense. I would completely recommend. Once you pick your glasses, then they come the various options, which is like having, and I think they're called opticians. Yeah, it's like having one of those at home, because it goes through the different types of tints that you want. If you want blue light protection or blue light reduction, extra UV, glare, they have polarization, like a bunch of stuff. Some of the stuff I don't know, or I wasn't interested in, but there are options for you if you want those. Another option they have is that you can get initials or your name, whatever you want, written up to a certain amount of characters written on the side of your frames. I paid the extra $1.95 to get my name written on the side. I believe if you don't choose this option, it's gonna say Zenni, but at the same time, I'm not 100% sure. So we'll see that when we unbox in a little bit. Shipping starts at $4.95. That's for estimated shipping of 2 to 3 weeks. There are ones that are sooner, they cost more. I ordered these glasses on June 12th. I received them on June 20th, which was 8 days. And I chose the slowest shipping, so it didn't even take the whole 2 weeks, which was awesome. Their shipping was really fast. I paid $46 for my glasses, and that included my prescription and shipping and all the extras that I chose for myself. All right, so now I'm really excited because I get to unbox them after telling y'all all the whole spiel on the website and all that stuff. I've been waiting. I got these yesterday and I wasn't able to record, so I waited for you guys to open this. So this is the box that it comes in. I was shaking it and I heard a little something. Yeah, see? I was a little nervous about that, so we'll see what that is. I don't know, maybe I should stop doing that, huh? But anyways, you can see it just has their thing. So we're gonna go ahead, open these up. Oh, that's what it is. It was the zipper. I don't get the blue. I watch other reviews and they get the pretty blue one. I guess since they're sunglasses, they had to be bigger. I hope I like these. Okay. So, you can see they're in this plastic bag. They're wrapped up in a glasses cleaner, a little cloth cleaner. My name is written on the inside of the thing. It says Zenni on this side, but there's nothing on the outside. Which is fine with me. So these are the glasses. Let's go ahead and try them on. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be able to see with sunglasses on. This is amazing. You know what? Oh my gosh, I like them. They work. I can see. This is crazy because now I can go outside and see with my sunglasses on. Like, my vision isn't that bad, but you know, I need my prescription to be able to see far away. And this is awesome. And they are so cute and they're super clean. And I have lost glasses before, so it's a nice feature to have my name written on the inside. Like, nope, those are mine. Give them back. Thank you. And they made just for me because they prescription. You know what? They feel really sturdy though. Oh yeah, by the way, if you like this hair that I have, I'll leave the description below. I have a video, I'm sorry, I'll leave the video link below. I have a video on this hair and one in a different color. So if you're interested, that'll be down below. But anyways, these are so cute. I'm not gonna sit here forever, but oh yes, I was trying to tell you that, sorry, I'm getting off track. I'm sorry. But they are really sturdy. I was worried about getting, cause you know, you go and you buy sunglasses from the store, the mall, wherever, and you pay like $10, $15, even $20 for them. I mean, I be getting the cheap ones, but they're not very sturdy. But these are very sturdy. They don't seem like, I'm not gonna tug on them and stuff, but they don't seem like they're gonna easily break. You can see there's a thick frame. The frame is thick, but yeah, basically I'm about to just go ahead and leave the house. I got a couple of things that I need to do. I'm gonna take y'all with me a little bit while I'm outside or driving. I do have a hands-free device in my car, so don't hate if I'm in my car trying to, you know, give y'all the tea. So far, the only thing I'm disappointed, Zenni, like I'm talking to you guys, it's a soft case and it's not that pretty blue. Like, I was really looking forward to the Zenni color. I really was. So, and I wanted a hard case. So those are the only, like, if this was this teal, I would have been a little bit more happy. If it was teal and hard case, like, we ain't got no problem. So I'm just saying, Zenni, that's all. But let's go ahead. I'm really satisfied right now. I'm satisfied with the shipping, the ordering process, and the fact that I can see. Thank you. All right, let me stop playing. I got a little too excited. So I'm gonna go out there and we're gonna do this. All right, I'll be back. We'll be back. I'm too juiced, y'all. All right, so I'm taking my first step outside. My new glasses. It feels so different because I have on sunglasses, but I still can see. This is like a life changer for me. Y'all don't even know. I'm so happy. Thank you, Zenni. I feel weird recording myself in public and stuff, but and they so cute. Like, do y'all see them? Come on now, these is cute. I got to make a Starbucks run because, you know, they sent me I could go and buy a drink and then they go give me a drink free. So I'm like, you know, I need to capitalize on that. So I found a little farmer's market actually, and I did get my Starbucks. Y'all see I'm a little late because it's almost gone. I don't drink coffee, I like that, so I did get a small. Don't judge me. But yes, so I found a little farmer's market. Let me show y'all real quick. Okay. Oh, I'm snapping pictures. I don't know. I don't know how to work my phone, y'all. But yeah, anyway. Farmer's market. These glasses feel so good though. Like, it barely feels like there's anything on my face. And they kind of sitting on my nose a little bit, but you know, I don't want that little indent on the inside of my nose. I don't like that. Not the inside, but you know what I'm talking about, where it looks like even when you don't have on glasses, like that person wear glasses, they don't feel heavy on my face like that. But we'll see. I'm just heading back in the house and then we'll do our final review on these glasses. So it's been 3-4 hours since I've been outside. I came back and I'm shooting this for y'all right now. I don't really have any more, like, there's no more testing I can do. I love the glasses. They're lightweight, they feel sturdy, they are very easy to clean. When I did get my fingerprints on them, like, super easy to clean with the cloth that they gave me. Other than that, besides for me being disappointed about the color of the glasses case and wanting a hard case, I really don't have any negatives. Of course, they want to mow the lawn right now when I'm doing my video, my outro. But yes, I don't have, I mean, I really love these glasses and I'm happy I bought them. I can see out of them. That's the most important part. My prescription feels correct. I just had to get used to having on prescription sunglasses because I'm not used to that. But they automatically come with UV protection. My name is written on the inside. If you're curious about all the other customizations that I chose, go ahead and comment below and I will go ahead and put the details in that comment for you. So yes, if you'd like to see more reviews like this, let me know down in the comments. If you like this review, let me know down in the comments. I don't know if I'm gonna use my content as a mini vlog type of thing or if we're just gonna stick to the review, but let me know what you want to see more from me. It's more fun. Plus it tells YouTube that you want to see more content like this, that you actually like me. So subscribe, like, share, do all that stuff. We say that for a reason. Like, just do it, okay? Like Nike. Check, okay? I am having too much fun today with you guys. So I am going to say peace love, happiness. Have a good rest of your day. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All of that. All of that. All right, bye guys.